This 2021 Keystone Fuzion 419 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Ringgold, Georgia, 30736 and is offered for sale by Northgate RV Center. This new Keystone is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Brindle interior, sleeps 7, oven, stovetop burner, Colorado Detector, air conditioning, microwave, DVD player, leveling jacks, TV, smoke detector, water heater, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Fuzion 419 is 15,340 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Northgate RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.